Alright, so for today's video we have an unboxing. As you can see, I got this from the Weiss Brothers shop right there. This was something that was in the curiosity section, and I figured I might as well pick it up for a load for one of my trailers that I have. So without further ado, let's get this thing unboxed here. I'm pretty excited. It cost me about $35 when it was all said and done. See all the packing peanuts right there. And the actual part itself is right here. So the actual load itself is right there. Put the rest of these packing peanuts back in the box. And we'll get the box out of here. And we'll get the load opened up. So here it is. I'm sure you can kind of already tell what it is since it is red. Let's cut the tape there. Get it open. So this is the it's the 16,000 boom section. It's for some reason in the curiosity shop. You can buy the red 16,000 boom section, or you can buy a lamps in blue. Comes with some lifting straps, as you see here. So yeah, like I said, I mainly bought this for a load, for a trailer I have, which you guys will be seeing a review of very shortly. And it should look good on the back of it. Let's see if I can get this piece of tape off of here. But yeah, that's really about it for this unboxing. I got the boom there, and it came with 4 lifting straps. I'm not really sure if I'm going to use these or not. As you can see right there, came with 4 pretty decent sized lifting straps there. I'm not sure if I'm going to use these. Don't really have a crane model. I thought about getting the 16,000, but, you know, not really sure if I want to have a giant crane model or not. Still haven't made up my mind, but that's really going to do it for this video. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. If you'd like to follow my links, if you'd like to follow my social media, both links are in the description. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video to be uploaded.